Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Robinhood wallet address. To begin, open your Robinhood application on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, you will navigate to the cryptocurrency section. This process is straightforward and ensures you can easily receive digital assets. We will walk through each step, making it simple to understand and execute. This address is crucial for any incoming crypto transactions. After opening the Robinhood app, look for the magnifying glass icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this icon to open the search bar. Next, type crypto into the search field. A list of options will appear. Select the one that leads you to your cryptocurrency portfolio. This action will take you to the overview of your digital assets. Once you are in your cryptocurrency portfolio, you will see a list of your digital assets. Select the specific cryptocurrency for which you need the wallet address, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your desired asset, look for and tap the Receive button. This action will prepare the system to display your unique receiving address for that particular coin. Upon tapping Receive, your unique Robinhood wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency will appear on your screen. This address is a long string of letters and numbers. It is vital to copy this address precisely. Tap the Copy button to ensure accuracy and avoid any errors when sharing it. Always double-check the copied address before using it for a transaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.